So here's an example of a Jamboard. This is an inferencing activity. Students have watched a video called French Roast. This is a completely animated, no audio video. After watching the video, the students will answer inferencing questions. But before they do, this Jamboard is an opportunity for them to ask any questions about what they've seen. The prompt is I wonder, and then students would fill in the blank with a question. They are told to pick a sticky note to post your question. The sticky notes are here on the left. You pick whatever color you like, and you type in your question and press save. Here's a couple of example questions. I wonder why was the old guy homeless? Another one, I wonder what made the old lady turn into a robber. This helps those students maintain their anonymity, and they're more responsive to asking a question if that is the case. Anonymity. This particular Jamboard is also a making inferences activity. The students are presented with a picture, and they have to figure out what is going on using their own background knowledge and what they see. In order to make an inference, you must use schema, which is your background knowledge. The students are asked, what questions do you have in your mind about this image? Again, they are asked to post a sticky note. They're right here. You click on the sticky note, you pick your color, any color. Once you write your question, you click save. You can go ahead and try it if you like. When students post sticky notes, you can see their names or their little icons at the top of the page. So you know who has posted, even though they're not putting their names on these sticky notes. This next Jamboard is a poem called A Journey by Nikki Giovanni. This poem was very difficult for my students to understand. A journey is basically talking about life's journeys and how she plans to continue on with her life journey even though times are going to get tough. This is an extended metaphor. A lot of students don't understand what an extended metaphor is. A lot of my students didn't understand the theme, and they didn't understand the concept of this poem. So after we talked about it and we discussed what an extended metaphor was, after we discuss what theme is, how to find the theme in poetry, students still had questions. So this Jamboard allowed them to post these questions. The prompt was, after reading and discussing this poem, what questions do you still have? This helps me fill in the gaps for those students who are lacking comprehension